Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Benchmark 10-year bonds yields in the US are at all-time highs. Higher yields are causing the yen to lose more and have pushed the greenback up to JPY 128.45. The dollar is trading lower compared with other major currencies, except the Swiss franc. The large Asia-Pacific equity markets were the most affected. However, Hong Kong and China saw significant growth. Stoxx 600 Europe is down around 1.4%. This gives back nearly twice the gains from the previous two sessions. The gains made in the US futures are now reversed. Yesterday, gold was repurchased from $2,000 and is now consolidating at $1,975. Consolidating is also happening with June WTI. Asian Pacific market. The rhetoric of the Japanese Finance Minister Suzuki stepped up a bit. He warned of the rapidly declining yen and said that it had strong detriments for the economy. He confirmed contact with the U.S. ahead of his visit to the G7 and G20 meetings. The market is not persuaded. In Europe, the dollar is at new highs of JPY 128.45. This month, the dollar has not fallen against the Japanese yen since its 13th session advancement. Yesterday's low was slightly higher than $0.7340, and the Australian dollar returned to $0.7400. To boost confidence, it must move higher than yesterday's highs. Market of Europe. Russia's offensive in Donbas seems to have started in earnest. This can signal a new phase of the war. Europe appears to be moving towards embargoing Russian oil. The UK Prime Minister Johnson will apologize to Parliament later today. This will be his first appearance before Parliament since he was fined by the London police. Sterling fell below $1.30, but it held its low last week and is now trying to rebound from a three-day slump. Sterling session highs were also recorded in early European turnover, just like the euro. The euro crossed the $1.0760 mark. Although it has fallen below $1.08 support, the euro did not fall below it until yesterday. It has been able to recover it and reach $1.0815 during early European trading. Market of America. Bullard, the most prominent hawk, believes that the Fed funds target should be at least 3.5% by the end. Yesterday, Bullard stated that although it is not his base case for a 75 BP increase may be necessary at some point. Today we'll see the reporting of March housing permits and starts. At lunch today, Evans, the Chicago Fed president, will speak at Economic Club of New York. Although Evans is often viewed as a dove, even Fed officials seem to be open to a 50 BP increase next month. Canada today reports on March housing starts and home sales. The Canadian dollar is consolidating. Today, it is within a 20-30 tick range of CAD 1.2600 to CAD 1.2600. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.